The split file option allows you to divide a dataset into separate groups for analysis, usually based on the values of one grouping variable. The effect of this function is visible only in the output report window. The program allows for the selection of up to 8 grouping variables. Observations are grouped according to each variable within the categories of the previously selected variable. To use this function, open the File subsets and go to the Data menu, then select Split File. Modify the default option from Analyze All Cases to Compare Groups. To select the grouping variable, click the variable representing the respondent's gender in the left field and move it to the section labeled Groups based on. Since we haven't sorted the dataset yet, which is required, leave the option Sort the File by Grouping Variables checked. To see the effect of our action, click OK, and then go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and select Frequencies. From the left field, move the variable Education to the right using the arrow and click OK. As we can see, the result is a table that presents the education variable divided by the respondent's gender. As long as the split file function is active, which can be seen in the lower right part of the window, every output object in the report window will additionally be divided by the gender variable. A different result is obtained when we bring up the split file function window again, but this time select Organize Output by Groups and click OK. Then, perform the frequency analysis of the education variable once more by going to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and without changing any settings, click OK. This time, the output report window shows 2 separate tables presenting the results for women and men individually. Which option to use should depend primarily on the size of the output object. If the generated cross-tabulation table contains too many categories, use the Organize Output by Groups option. The output objects will then be created separately for each category of the grouping variable, in this case, the gender variable.